Very good morning to all of you. This is Abhilash Shanhata, your moral value teacher. So, class, today we all are going to start one of the most important chapter of your moral value. The name of the chapter is The Two Boxes of Life. This is lesson 11 of your book. So, the two boxes of life. Once there lived a noble man, Prem Das, who was extremely poor at heart, pure at heart. To him, serving others was the most beautiful ritual of life. Such people are closest to the heart of God, and so God decided to reward him. One night, God appeared before Prem Das while he was remembering him. At first, he got scared, but soon he felt very peaceful under the warmth of God's loving presence. Now, once there lived a nobleman. Who are noblemen? Noblemen are those persons who are very honest, who are full of courage, and who care for others. Okay, so Premdas was a very noble man and he was extremely pure at heart. बहुत ही दया भाव के थे, बहुत ही higher social class के थे. So for him, serving others was the most beautiful ritual of life. He think like we have to serve others, we have to kind towards others, we have to be kind toward others, we have to be honest with everyone. So according to him, serving others was the most beautiful ritual of life. And obviously these noblemen are very closest to the heart of the God. And one day God decided to reward him. God appeared before him and he rewarded him. Okay, so one night God appeared before Prem Das while he was remembering him. He was doing his prayers, and at that time, God appeared before him. And first of all, Prem Das got scared. He got so scared, he got so fearful, but after some time he felt very peaceful under the warmth of God's loving presence. He felt so peaceful, he felt so good under the warmth of God's loving presence. God की presence में उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा. God handed two boxes to him. Here are the boxes of life, Prendas. Put all your joys in the golden box and all your sorrows in the black one. And he disappeared. So what God did, he handed two boxes to him. One is the golden box and the second one is the black box. And he said, put all your joys, put all your beautiful moments in this golden box and put all your sorrows, worries, sadness in this black box. Okay. And after that, after giving these boxes to Premdas, he disappeared. Okay. So Premdas followed God's advice. Days passed, but the golden box became heavier and the black box remained the same. With curiosity, he opened the black box to find out what was wrong. He noticed a hole at the base of the box. He was puzzling as to what could be the reason behind it. Just then, God appeared before him again. Now, Premdas followed the God's advice. Some days passed. His golden box became heavier and heavier day by day, but the black box remained the same. So, with curiosity, he was so curious. He opened that box and he tried to find out what is wrong with this box. So he noticed there is a hole at the base of the box. एक छेद है box के नीचे. So he was so confused, he was so puzzled, and like what was the reason, what could be the reason behind it, why there is a hole at the base of this box. And after the certain time, God appeared before him again. God came to him once again. So Premdas showed the hole to God and asked, I wonder where my sorrows could be. At this, God lovingly smiled and said, my dearest child, they are all here with me. The golden box is for you to count your blessings, and the black box with the hole is to let go of all your sorrows. So Premdas showed the hole to God and he asked him why there is a hole in the base of this box? Where are my sorrows? Where are my sadness which I felt? Where are my sorrows? Where are my worries? So God looked at him and he smiled and he said, "My dearest child, ऑल द सोरोज आर विद मी, जितने भी सोरोज हैं, जितने भी वरीज हैं, वो सब मेरे पास हैं. दिस sorry, this golden box is for you. Count your good things, count your blessings, and count your blessings, count your happiness, count your beautiful moments, and the black box will always be with me. I will take care of all your sorrows, and you have to let go of all your sorrows. You should not count your sorrows. Okay, you should only count your blessings. So whatever the things we have in our life, we should thankful for them. We should thankful to our God. They gave us like ample amount of happiness, blessings in our life. Okay, so now golden ways for self expansion. We should always treasure God's precious blessings and count them again and again in order to know how rich we are. God wants us to give all our burdens and sorrows to Him who can manage them efficiently. Imagine the depth of God's love for us. He wants you to take a deep dive in His heart, which is a vast pool of love. So do not waste your time in making calculations about your sorrows. Otherwise, you will miss the golden chance to swim in a divine flow. So we should always treasure God's precious blessings. जितनी भी हमारे गॉड ने हमें ब्लेसिंग्स दे रखी है, ब्लेसिंग्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेरेंट्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टीचर्स, friends, nature, everything. We should treasure them. We should count those precious blessings, and again we should thank them. We should thank to God how rich we are. So God wants us to give all our burdens and sorrows. He wanted us to let go of all our sorrows, and he just wanted us to count our blessings which we have. Okay, so God's love for us is very deep. He wants us to be filled with love and kindness. We have to dive in His heart, which is a vast pool of love. हमें जो प्यार से भरा हुआ है, काइंडनेस से भरा हुआ उसका दिल है गॉड का, उसमें हमें रहना चाहिए, हमें थैंकफुल होना चाहिए, ब्लेस्ड रहना चाहिए. We should not waste our time in making calculation कि मुझे ये नहीं मिला, मुझे वो नहीं मिला, कितने दुख है मेरे लाइफ में, कितने सॉरोज हैं. हमें ये सारी चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए. If we calculate those things, we will miss the golden chance to swim in a divine flow. कि हम जो अच्छाई है, जो हमारी ब्लेसिंग्स है हमारी लाइफ में, हम उनको मिस कर देंगे. डिवाइन मीन्स क्या होता है? कनेक्टेड विद गॉड और अ गॉड. ठीक है, तो हम गॉड से कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस चैप्टर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल चैप्टर, एंड वी शुड inculcate these things. We should inculcate these things in our life. We should accept these things. We should accept the flows, and we should let go of all our sorrows, and we should count our blessings. We should thankful to our parents, teachers, friends, neighbors, environment, everyone who are helping us to live our life lively. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye, take care.